Hi friends, today I want to read this story to you. It's called One Windy Day, and it's a story about a mailman who's a fox, and he loves to deliver mail all over the neighborhood. He also likes windy days, but today it seems like the wind is playing some devious tricks on him. The author of this book is Tammy Salzano. One Windy Day. Fox loves the wind, but today, one windy day means, up and down, left, and what's the opposite of left? Where do you think the wind blew those letters? You got it, right. Near and far. Over and under. It looks like Mailman Fox has some friends helping him collect those letters. Light and dark. Open and closed. Fox loves windy days, and he says thank you to all the friends that helped him collect his mail. Hope you enjoyed the story.